That's what I come out to every morning. 21 of these little bastards. Right, Jerry? That's little Jerry Seinfeld over there. I think we got a couple roosters. So we got the ducks. They just hang out here now. They used to be at the pond. Now they're jealous. They want to be up here with the chickens. And the turkeys, they won't leave. We just got a damn poultry heaven here. Yeah, don't we? Look at Jerry. He's just over there picking. The life of a chicken. They're all over the place. Well, walk with me. It's time to go. Time to put our sweat guts out. That's right. Let's go. It's gonna be an adventure. I have no clue what we're getting into. I never looked at this job. My buddy just called me and said, hey, this is ready to go. Can you do it? Sure, anything for you. So you guys are gonna see it for the first time just like I did. It could be interesting. There's a road closure. So we gotta go through some places I'm not real familiar with. Let's do it. Well, we're back here to grab the Dozer. How gay does that sound? Dozer. So, first thing I woke up to this morning, I had a text, well, a missed call from a guy that I did this work for. And I'm always just assuming, oh no, he's gonna want me to do something else or something's not right, you know, because that's 90% of the time if you get a call first thing in the morning on a job you were just at, there's always something there they want done differently or something like that. But he was actually calling to say it looks good. He was pumped on it. I said, yeah, the only thing I wasn't happy with was this. I like my lines to be straighter, but as soft as this was and you just got to dump and push off it, that's how it gets. But it'll be wide and you finish all that up. But this base here, man, it's so much better. Just that pit we get it from, I don't really care for those people, and it's a lot farther drive. It's not a straight shot. Let's get this thing loaded up and then I'll take you to our destination. Huh. All right. Family, you remember this walking trail? I was driving by it. It looks like well, it's holding up pretty good. My cousin's blacktop today. It's a good time of year to be doing that, boy. It's 100 degrees and I can't imagine what the temp is around the blacktop. Let's go see them. Looking good. What's up? Perfect time of year to do it, ain't it?
What?
Perfect time of year to be doing it, nice and hot.
We like when it's hot.
Yeah. You're earning it. What, right, dude?
Yeah.
Oh, look at them socks.
Oh, yeah.
You got them off of OrschellX.com, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
It's turning out nice, ain't it?
It's gonna look good.
How's the new paver?
It's
Good? Damn, you're looking buff. That looks good. Fox baby, and they do the best. Okay, off to my project. I figured I'd just stop, say hey, see how that new paver is going. Actually, the first time to use the paver is at my shop down at Moto Extremes. He did a patch job for me, and it laid in there real nice. There he is, my cousin, Fox Paving. Holy crap, well, we made it up and down and over all these hollows and we're here. Whew. That's the worst part of it, is getting a late start, because up there and then one of guy I know stopped and he was bull crapping with me. I tell you what, right down in this valley, we're at Lawrenceburg. If you guys have heard of Perfect North Slopes, that's right over there. But right down in that valley is where I used to deer hunt. My 4th grade teacher had this property out here, and she said, you can hunt here. So I didn't even have my driver's license. So back then, that's what I was just telling that one guy, that how our generation, the dying breed, and how much tougher we are. My mom would take me down there, drop me up before daylight. Back then, we didn't have no phones or nothing. She'd just say, hey, meet back at this, you know, part here at dark. I'd be down there all day hunting and stuff, and never worried about me one bit. We're creating a soft bunch. I don't know if it, you know, maybe let me know what you think. Look at all this junk. He was asking me about cleaning all this shit up. Yeah, that's nasty. Ooh, that's nasty. I guess that's gonna be a crawl space back there. I guess he wants me to go on this side. I might, oh yeah, that's what it looks like. Just have to push pause up. Probably give him a call, see what he says. I guess there's some sort of big cistern here. Should stay away from that, but yeah, it's, golly, all kinds of nasty shit in there. Let's get unloaded and try to get this thing hammered out. It's already 11 o'clock. I'm going to have to be putting her in overdrive. Well, we're ready to go. Got her greased up and ready to push some dirt. I always have people say, man, I wish I had your job. You said an AC cab all day. Well, it's 11 o'clock and I haven't been in an AC cab yet. And if you smelled the way I smell, you realize I'm not in an AC cab that often. I'm always in and out, loading, unloading. God dang, I smell like, tis the season when you put a shirt on in it. Golly, as soon as you start getting a little hot, it activates and smells like death. Like back in the day when you'd go riding, leave your gear in the bag, and then you're going riding again next day and you had to wear the same old nasty stuff. This ain't gonna look the prettiest. We're just basically removing the topsoil, getting it hacked out so he can get material in here. Exactly what he said. Just hack the material out, push it in a pile. I can get the gravel in there. Roger! Man, one thing I never ever keep track of too much is my damn depth level. And this thing's about out of depth. Hopefully I got enough to get through cutting this out, so another reason I'm just going to have to charge through it pretty quick. Golly, there's all kinds of rock under this. There's no farmhouse here. I tell you, man, I'm really ripe. I'm thinking. That cat doing its business on my seat, I don't think's helping either. That vinyl seat, man, my back just instantly turns bad. I told you what that guy did, the cat did, that feral cat that was coming around my house. Sucker got in my truck and sprayed all over my seat. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, feral cat. Between that and the coons and all the other, we got garbage tore up or something jacked up every morning. My brother Bert Smith just called me back. I called him earlier just to tell him I loved him, and when I think about tough individuals, tough men, him and the Smith name is one of the toughest names around our area. His dad and his Uncle Larry, they got a name for toughness. They were always fighting and just doing whatever. It's hot. He runs a crew for his uncle doing pipe and stuff, and he said his guys are bitching and complaining. I said, dude, I don't know what's the matter with these guys. It's the obvious. Don't state the obvious. Don't let this weather portray you as a weak human being. Like, no matter if you bitch or whatever, that job's still there and it's still got to be done. Don't let it portray you as a weak human being. I never want that. Sometimes you guys got to do that. Just call people that you're thinking about and tell them you love them, you're thinking about them, and just never know sometimes. Especially doing this, you know, stuff I do. Stuff happens quick, and stuff he does happens quick, and I don't know. I don't want to tell you what, I think it seems like a Motley Crue day today. Kind of had them stuck in my head. I'm gonna sit in my AC cab and listen to some friggin' music. Must be nice. It is nice. My friend called today, down from LA. Man, this thing's just slicing through that like a knife with hot butter. You want to be bitching. You know, there's a couple things in life, man. If you want to look good, you know what I'm saying? OrschellX.com. And another thing, I got something coming that's going to pertain to everybody. You're going to like it, so stay tuned. Hopefully, I keep asking my wife every day if I got the email yet. I'm excited about it. Rolling the dirt today. Well, that was a bad example of it. My blade got on top of it. Spoke too soon. Here you go, give you some of this. The solder suck you down. Gotta be one with the stick. Man, another bad example. Jinxed myself, I guess. There we go. Now I'm rolling it. Got a lot of thick topsoil here. How'd you like that? Coming to you live. Man, look at this working environment. See what I say? I hate working in the city. Nobody out here messing with me. And for you guys that are in the city that's watching me, that comment and say, man, I wish you had my job and this and that. Don't be afraid to do what you love, or don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. I don't know that you only got one shot at this motherfucker. Make it worth it. Oh, the other day, Sam from Cat stopped over. He was coming from Illinois to North Carolina. He stopped over, and we were talking. He's a designer for the D6 and bigger, I think. Then I was telling him about this. He was showing me some stuff on the blade or whatever. I told him had a fault. Here it popped up, blade fault with this code 4651-9. I don't use that junk anyway. I don't think it's worth a crap. I'm better feeling it and putting my grade rod on there. That system gets you in trouble. But there you are. Same if you're watching. There's the code. Slicking her up. That was the old 3D effect. I mean, it just wouldn't be a day in Indiana if we didn't get rain. Where the heck this come from? Surely want my feet to be wet again today. Kenny said there was a cistern here from the 1800s. There it is. Holy shit, good thing I didn't get in that. I was expecting, well, I don't know what I was expecting, but there it is. Well, the one good thing, the rain didn't last too long. Got her all whacked out. Let's look at this cistern over here. Yeah, he said, there's a cistern over here. Watch out. I didn't see it until I pushed the dirt. Oh, God. Yeah. That's a death trap for kids. Well, there it is. The road to nowhere. Or it could be the unknown road. Who knows? Like always, or shall I say that, beautiful American day. Till the next adventure. I don't even know where it'll be. Going on vacation, we'll come back and figure it out. Keep doing what you do. Make your dreams into reality. Only you hold the future to yourself. This is a perfect spot. Just the perfect angle. Every situation's different. A little wet, hopefully we won't slide off. The road to nowhere leads to me. Don't Ozzy say that or something? No. I tell you, I was gonna finish the hooch off before, but I'm like, no, I gotta leave a little swaller in there for like a little, I don't know, a little surprise at the end of the job. Like always. I just keep coming back for more. I just love you guys to death.